everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the SKKSource AC adapter, designed as a compatible power supply charger for Epson Perfection 1660 and 1650 photo scanners. For anyone who relies on these classic scanners, a reliable power source is absolutely crucial, and this adapter aims to fill that need with some impressive features. One of the first things anyone looks for in a power supply is safety, and this SKKSource adapter truly delivers. It's built with the highest quality materials and incorporates multiple smart features designed to protect your valuable scanner. We're talking about safeguards against incorrect voltage, short circuits, and internal overheating. Plus, it's CE and FCC certified, which adds another layer of confidence, ensuring it meets recognized safety and quality standards. This adapter boasts a wide input voltage range of 100 to 240 V, making it incredibly versatile for use in various regions without needing a separate voltage converter. It's important to note that this is a brand new, high-quality replacement adapter, not an OEM part, but it's designed to meet or exceed the original specifications. The manufacturer stresses the importance of checking your device model before purchasing, which is always good advice to ensure perfect compatibility. Beyond just powering your device, this adapter is engineered for longevity. It's undergone rigorous aging tests to ensure it provides sufficient and stable power consistently over time. The use of high-quality copper core wire is a significant detail here. It's not just about delivering power, but doing so reliably without the wire easily breaking down, effectively extending the overall life of the power supply itself. This attention to material quality suggests a product built to last. Its barrel connector ensures a secure fit, and the powerline connectivity technology, while a bit generic, implies a straightforward and reliable connection. The portable special feature is a nice touch, suggesting it's easy to pack up and take with you if you ever need to move your scanner or set it up in different locations. The brand, SKKSource, also emphasizes their commitment to customer satisfaction, inviting users to contact them with any questions or concerns, which is always reassuring when investing in a replacement part. In essence, for anyone needing a dependable power solution for their Epson Perfection 1660 or 1650 photo scanner, this SKKSource AC adapter appears to be a robust and well-thought-out option. It combines essential safety features with durable construction and reliable performance, aiming to keep your scanner running smoothly for years to come.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.